Hi, this is Mr. Frazier, and we're working on 5.1, which deals with the difference between simple and compound interest. The problem for simple interest is P of t equals the original amount plus the original amount times R times the amount of time. Alright, so you would know what the original amount was, you plug it in, the rate, you plug it in, as well as the time, and if you're using a scientific calculator, you plug in all those numbers and it would just give you the answer. So for example, if I deposited $10,000, it would be 10,000 plus the simple interest rate would be 10,000 times the rate, and we'll say in this case it's 5%, so it would be 0.05, and I want to know how much I'll have after 7 years. So I put in the number 7. Then it's all calculator work from there. Literally, you type in 10,000 plus, you put the parentheses, 10,000 times 0.05 end parentheses and then the 7 after it. So literally exactly what you wrote is exactly what I've typed in. Okay. Then you hit enter and it gives you the amount, which means after 7 years I will have had $13,500 in interest. Okay. Relatively straightforward and simple. We did a lot of manipulation of sequence problems to get to this. That work, if you're interested in it, and filling out your textbook so that you have credit for the work you've done in the textbook, that's all located on Moodle. And then the second part was being able to use these same numbers, and if we did it compound interest. So compound interest is written in this formula. Okay. The P of t is the initial amount, again the P of O, and then it's 1 plus the rate, and then it's to the t power. So you have to know that this is a linear graph and this is an exponential graph. You have to know that this is simple interest and this is called compound interest. And then the way we do it is, again, I write it out. The original amount was 10,000. Parentheses, 1 plus 0.05 is 1.05. Okay. And then for 7 years, I would raise it to the 7th power. And once again, I go ahead and type it in. Could you get the door, please? So it would be 10,000, 1.05, and then I raise that to the 7th. Okay, when I raise that to the 7th, I get 14,071 days, or $14,071 and 0.00 cents. Remember, we always round up because it's to the penny. Okay. And that is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. This was the same skill that we used on our group quiz. Some of you didn't do well on, even though I had simple interest and compound interest up. I don't have the names with them, so I will give you those formulas. I just will not give you the names of them. You have to know the difference between the linear simple interest and the compound exponential compound interest. All right, thank you very much.